We're in Excel 2019. Let's take a look at the autosave features. Let's go up to File, and then we're going to go down to Options. And from Options, we're going to get a new box that pops up, and we're going to choose the Save tab on the left-hand side. So if we take a look at the auto recover options, we can see we're going to save the auto recovery information, and by default it's set to 10 minutes. I've gone ahead and changed it to 1 minute, so that way if I have a real buggy computer that crashes a lot, then I'll be able to save my work every 1 minute. So I definitely recommend that if you have that issue. It also has the box checked to keep the last auto recovered version. If I close without saving, definitely want to have that, so that way it'll just pop up and say, hey, would you like to recover this particular one? And the other thing is that we have here is the auto recover file location. So you can see it's here. I've gone ahead and opened up that folder, and we can see there's nothing in it except for this empty folder. So let's go ahead and save this information. Now I'm going to make a change to this document. I'm just going to type a bunch of X's in it, but I'm not going to save it. And I'm going to wait 1 minute, then I'm going to crash Excel, open it back up again, and see if I have this option to recover this file, even though I didn't actually save it, see if the autosave works properly. Let's go ahead and crash our Excel by going to Task Manager and choosing to end task. Now we'll open up our file once again. And now we're given the document recovery options on the left-hand side. So you can see the original one that was saved is still available here. If we click on the other version, we can see the one with the X's that we did not save is also here. So if we decide we want the one with the X's in it because that has the newer information, we can just hit the drop down and we can just choose Save As, and we can say that it's no longer auto-recovered. It is now the one that we want. So let's go ahead and replace the existing file, and we just need to give it a slightly different name here. Let's give it a 1 after it and save. All right, so now we'll go ahead and close this one. There we go. There's our sim copy 1 with the X's in it, and now we have our recovered file. We can go ahead and delete the old file if we no longer need it. So those are our recovery options and how to recover a document in Excel 2019.